Hey, I'm Michael.
And I'm Kris.
And we are
MK
Experience. We're full-time pastors and part-time RVers.
And we are
Living in the moment.
loving life, making every experience count.
Okay, so you know what, babe? I think it'd be amazing if people would subscribe to our channel and share in our amazing experiences with us, because we have wild ones, crazy ones, funny ones. I mean, you almost fell in the lake today.
That is true.
See the things that we do for you guys?
Oh dear, I'm just not so... All right, let's do it again.
Wait, that was good.
It was?
Yeah, we're gonna use it.
Then what should I say something about?
She's not very good at this. So subscribe and then hit the notifications button and you'll get notifications every time we put out a video.
And if you like it, give us a thumbs up.
We're gonna keep working on Kris.
I need a lot of work. Loving life.
No.
Say something or no?
Yes, you are right now. It's still rolling. Wild experiences.
Because we're so wild and crazy. We would
She's
love
wild.
it. No, he's wild and crazy. I'm just along for the ride.